Front department, zoology,
Department of Botany and Department of Zoology.
nicely art their own hand, our own college. We are working
Right now,
Dinaspur Government College, a big field.
Central Field.
Told my
Together.
friend Taru.
Thank you, Didarul. Today is the festival of Dinaspur Government College English Department in 2025. And you know that this is the last month of this year,
Here,
and we want to finish these years so much beautifully, and that's why this department has arranged beautiful, winter festival. So right now we are creating a beautiful hospitality among the all younger brothers, younger sisters, and our all friend circle and our teachers. And that's why I can say that it's a really beautiful uh, future and beautiful moment will be, no doubt. Today is the winter festival in 2025 at the end of the year, and which is that 13 December, and we are waiting with the department teachers of English from Dinaspur Government College, and who is playing with the
father of two kids. Capturing photo. Taru.